Hi, this is Bhaskar. Today I am going to announce the assignment for automotive chassis component design for third year. Okay. For the even semester, that means sixth semester, we have three assignment. One is assignment 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So each assignment, I am giving the assignment starting date as well as the ending date. Within the stimulated time period, you have to submit the assignment. Otherwise, the mark won't be awarded. Okay. The question number indicate 1.1 mean the one is called as a first assignment. Next another one is called as a number. Okay. Next 1.2 means assignment 1 and question number 2. Similarly 1.3 means assignment 1 from the question number 3. Similarly 2.1 indicate assignment 2 first question. 2.2 means assignment 2 second question. 2.3 means assignment 2 and third question. Like that 3.1 indicate assignment 3, that one indicate first question. 3.2 indicate assignment 3 second question, and 3.3 indicate assignment 3 and third question. Okay. So first question 1.1, that means assignment 1 first question. Calculate the maximum bending moment and maximum section modulus. Wheelbase is 180 centimeter. Overall length is 360 centimeter. Equal overhang on either side. 270 kgf acting on the center of gravity of the load, 45 centimeter in front of the front axle. 180 kgf acting on the center of gravity of load, 45 centimeter in front of the rear axial. 67.5 kgf acting on the CG of load 45 centimeter behind rear axial. In addition, there is a uniformly distributed load of 1.75 kgf per centimeter run over the entire length of chassis. Derive the expression for torque transmitted by a single clutch. Okay, so this is assignment 1 question. So I gave all the assignment is in terms of numericals. Okay, you have to solve the questions and submit the assignment in A4 sheet. Okay, while submitting the assignment, you should write your name, register number, year, then assignment 1 or 2 or 3, like that you need to mention. Then question number 1.2. A typical coil suspension spring has 10 effective coils of mean diameter 125 mm and made out of wires of diameter 15 mm. The spring is designed to carry a maximum static load of 3531.6 Newton. Calculate the shear stress and the deflection. If the maximum shear stress of 37650 kilopascal is allowable in the material, then what is the possible clearance? Then question number 3. A torsion bar suspension is to be designed to support a maximum static load of 3433.5 Newton at end of a lever arm 250 mm long. The deflection of the lever above the horizontal is to be 30 degree with a total angle of deflection of 90 degree. Assuming a safe allowable stress of 784,800 kilopascal, then find the diameter of the torsion bar, the effective length of the load rate. Next, question number 2.1, that means second assignment, question number 1. The load distribution between the front and rear axle of a motor vehicle weighing 1350 kgf is that of 48% of total load is taken by the front axle. The width of the truck is 140 centimeter and the distance between the center of the spring pad is 66 centimeter. Design a suitable I section for the front axle assuming that the width of the flange and its thickness are 0.6 and 0.2 of the overall depth of the section respectively, and thickness of web 0.2 of the width of the flange. Next, as a question number 2.2, a motor car has a wheelbase of 2.743 meter and a pivot center of 1.065 meter. The front and rear wheel truck is 1.217 meter. Calculate the correct angle of the outside lock and turning circle radius of the outer front and inner rear wheels when the angle of the inside lock is 400. Next, question number 2.3. A track has pivoted pin 1.37 meter apart. The length of each track arm is 0.17 meter and the track rod is behind the front axle and 1.17 meter long. Determine the wheelbase which will give true rolling for all wheels when the car is turning so that the inner wheel stub axle is 60 degree to the center of the car. Next, as question number 3.1, that means assignment 3, first question. A plate clutch has 3 discs on the driving shaft and 2 discs on the driven shaft, providing 4 pairs of contact surfaces. The outside diameter of the contact surface is 240 mm and the inside diameter 120 mm. Assuming uniform pressure and coefficient of friction mu equal to 0.3. Find the total spring load pressing the plates together to transmit power of 225 kilowatt at the speed of 1575 rpm. If there are 6 springs, each of stiffness 13 kilonewton per meter and each of the contact surface has worn away by 1.25 mm. Find the maximum power that can be transmitted, assuming uniform wear theory. Then assignment number 3.2, that means third assignment, second question. An automobile is fitted with a single plate clutch to transmit 22.1 kilowatt at speed of 2100 rpm. The total axial load on the clutch plate is 1422.5 Newton. The outside diameter of the friction surface is 250 mm. Both sides of the plates are effective. That means we need to consider friction. And the mu between the contact surface is 0.35. Assuming uniform wear theory, then calculate inner diameter. The rotating parts attached to the driven part of clutch are initially at rest empty of 20.7 Newton meter squared. Find the time lapse before the engine attained full speed of 2100 rpm. And the last question, that means assignment 3 and third question. A cone clutch with cone semi angle of 12 degrees to transmit 11.9 kilowatt at 750 rpm. The width of the face is 1 by 4th of mean diameter and the normal pressure between the contact faces not to exceed 8.27 into 10 power 4 Pascal, allowing the coefficient of the clutch is and the axial force is required. Okay, so these are the assignment question. The first assignment announcing date is February 2nd. Okay, sorry, February month first date, and the last date to submit is February 12. Similarly, assignment 2 going to start on February 22 and need to submit on March 5th. Then assignment 3 will start on March 15th and need to submit on March 26th. Thank you.